Hello friends, today I am here by taking the concept of class 9th, chapter 1st, exercise 1.2. Yes, main motive is to tell how to draw the irrational numbers on a number line. Yes, my first question is, show that root 2 can be represented on number line. Yes, it can be. Now I am telling how is it. Now you know about this theorem, hypotenuse is equal to base square plus perpendicular square. Now I have to take base just like that कि it will make it 2 and perpendicular is your fix. You always take 1 only. So if I take base as a 1, then you know by this theorem this will be possible. So after that you know what is number line. I have drawn, but here only positive number you want. Then what is your base? Base you have taken 1 centimeter, perpendicular also 1 centimeter. Then you have made a right angle triangle. In this manner you got h as root 2. Now you will open your compass of OB centimeter is root 2. Then means by keeping your compass here and you will draw it whenever it will touch to that line. This is your root 2 number line. Why? Because this is what? This is working as a radius. You have opened your compass of this centimeter. In this manner you will get this is root 2 on a number line. Now your second question is, show that root 3 can be represented on number line. Yes, it can be. I told you कि you have fixed what base. You have taken now root 2. Root 2 you will take as a base and 1 you will take as a perpendicular. I told in this question कि perpendicular is your fix. So we will create it now. Root 2 and here is 1. Then root 2 square. Square will cancel with root 1 square. 2 plus 1 that becomes root 3 because square will become its square root. Then in this manner you will now see here, because base you have to take already fixed, but now 1 you have taken root 2 means if you have to draw root 3 then you will take root 2 as a base. Root 2 you will take as a base, but your perpendicular is fixed. Then root 3 you will create. Now you will open your compass of this centimeter and you will draw it like by opening your compass as radius root 3. In this manner you will get, and you know the value of root 3 1.71. Next question is, show root 5 on a number line. Yes, now you were thinking what I take. If I take 3 as a base, 3 plus 1 you will get 4, but you know ki what is root 4? Root 4 is 2 square, then no need. So this is a rational number. For this I am changing my base, but perpendicular is your fix. So I am taking now as a base 2 and perpendicular is my only 1. 2 square is 4 plus 1 square is 1. 4 plus 1 is root 5. Now you will open your compass of root 5 and draw the radius in this manner कि you will got root 5 on your number line. This is very much important concept. You will open your compass of that hypotenuse, then you will make it like this. In this manner you will get your number on a number line. Now I am telling the concept about that how to you can make other on number line. For root 7 it can be drawn with the help of root 5. For making it, firstly you will make what? Root 5. Firstly you will take 2 as a base, 1 as a perpendicular, root 5 you will create. Then by taking 1 more you will create what? Root 5 square is 5 plus 1, that will become your root 6. 5 plus 1 6. Then 6 you will take as a base, 1 is your perpendicular, that is fixed. Then you will take 6 plus 1 root 7. Then in this manner you will take again 1, then you will create it. 7 plus 1 is root 8. Yes, but for 9 you know it can be written as 3 square. Square will cancel with root. Now you will think yourself what I take as a base for making root 10 on a number line? Yes, very good. Why? Because you know base you can take 3 square. 3 you can take as a base. In this manner you will get 9 plus 1, 10 square will become its root. So now you will take what? 0, 1, 2, 3. 3 as a base you will take. Then 1 upside. This is fixed. Then you will create it just like hypotenuse theorem you have down. Now you will open your compass of this centimeter. Then you will create in this manner you will get root 10 on a number line. I hope you are getting. For root 11 you will take root 10 as a base. Root 10, see, h square is equal to p square plus b square. P is your fix, what? 1 square. Then what I can take to make it 11? So of course I have to take root 10. Square will cancel with the root 1 plus 10. In this manner h will become your root 11. I hope you are getting. This is to represent irrational number on a number line. Firstly you have to think that number which can be taken as a base. Sometimes you have to take other numbers also in that type of series. 1 again like this. This is root 2. This is 1. Then in this manner you will get root 3. Then again root 4 you have no problem, but you can if you want. It will become in this manner, means just like this its shape will become. Every number can be represented on number line. I hope you are getting. This is very easy concept.